Pause for a second. I need you to listen for the next 60 seconds. If you are between 15 and 30 right now, you have two options. Option 1, treat AI like a toy. Use it to cheat on homework or write lazy captions. In 3 years, you become obsolete, replaced by the machine you laughed at. Option 2, learn the secret architecture of how this intelligence actually works. Stop being a user and become the operator, the architect, the one who gets paid. By the end of this video, you will understand AI better than 99% of people on the planet. I will show you exactly which 2 doors to walk through next to turn this knowledge into a career. Let's kill the myth first. AI isn't magic, it isn't a brain. Seriously, if you think a computer actually thinks like you do, you are giving a pocket calculator too much credit. What we call artificial intelligence is just pattern recognition on steroids. Think of a toddler learning what a dog is. You point at a chihuahua, a golden retriever, and a wolf. You say, dog. The toddler's brain adjusts. AI does the same thing, but looks at a billion pictures of dogs in 4 seconds. It doesn't know it's a dog, it just knows that pixel 101, 45, and 200 usually match the shape of a leash. Here's your first cliffhanger. If AI doesn't think, how does it write a love poem or code an entire app? Stay with me because the answer is the difference between earning $15 an hour or $150,000 a year. Welcome to the backstage. Every AI runs on something called a neural network. Imagine your brain is a messy college dorm room. To find your keys, you dig through pizza boxes. Slow, human. Now imagine hiring 1,000 tiny obsessive librarians who don't sleep. You ask for keys. The first checks the desk. No. The second checks the fridge. No. The third checks the shoe rack. Yes. That is a neural network. Layers of mathematical filters. The first layer sees edges, the middle sees shapes, the deep sees meaning. This is called deep learning. Here's the terrifying and exciting part. AI doesn't hallucinate because it's broken. It hallucinates because it is mathematically guessing the next most probable word. That 7-legged cat you saw, that's not a glitch. That's the machine being honest about its math. Now stop being scared. Start being excited. Once you understand that AI is just a prediction engine, you realize it has zero creativity. It cannot want or dream. Only you can do that. The money isn't in building the next ChatGPT. The money is in being the human in the middle. You don't need to code a neural network to profit. You need to know how to talk to it, edit its output, and chain 5 AIs together to do the work of a marketing department. Right now, you are thinking, where do I actually click to start? Here's the truth. We are entering the compression phase. In 2023, using AI made you a wizard. In 2026, using AI is basic literacy. If you don't have a strategic layer on top of your skills, you are the villager holding the torch, not the wizard. That sounds scary, but flip the script. Most people will freeze and get replaced. That is your window. While they panic, you learn. You know AI needs context, not just prompts. You know AI is terrible at emotional intelligence. The job titles of 2026 are being written right now. Prompt engineer, AI workflow designer, automation strategist. These jobs pay 6 figures and don't require a computer science degree. They require curiosity. Right now, a 19-year-old is using AI to generate product descriptions, translate them into 10 languages, and post to a Shopify store while they sleep. They aren't a writer, translator, or coder. They are a conductor. The AI is their orchestra. That can be you, but only if you move now. I have seen too many talented people wait for the right time. The right time was yesterday. The second best time is while this video is still playing. You now know how the engine works. Knowledge without tools is just a hobby. I have curated 2 specific maps for you. First, you need the weapons. Watch my video titled 5 AI Tools You Must Learn Before 2026. These are the dark horses that automate the boring stuff. Second, you need the battlefield. Watch Top 5 AI Career Starts in 2026. These are the job titles hiring managers are begging for right now. Check the end screen, click one of those videos, and do not wait. The future doesn't belong to the strongest or smartest. It belongs to the fastest learners. Be the operator. I will see you inside the first video.